Welcome parents and scholars to our Grade 1 Math homework teaching video for the week of September 21st through September 25th. On Monday, please use these 5 group cards on the side to guide you with this math problem. So let's see what are the 2 categories that are listed here. So if you look closely, you will see the 2 categories are big happy faces and little happy faces. So you basically need to find out how many big and little happy faces there are and write those 2 parts in these partner boxes. So let's start with the most number of happy faces, which are the little happy faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. Then 1, 2, 3 goes in the next partner box. Then we are going to find the total by counting all the happy faces, or counting 5, 6, 7, 8, because 5 and 3 more is 8. And then you will also draw 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 3 dots here. That makes 8. Then you are going to solve question 2. And on Monday, you will use this problem solving strategy song that we learned in class, which goes like this. Circle important numbers, underline the question, box important keywords, and write the number sentence. Excuse me for this spelling error. There should have been an S. Anyhow, use this problem solving strategy song to help you solve this math word problem. So circle important numbers. That's the first thing you're going to be doing. Circle 4, circle 5. Is there any more numbers? No. So that's it. Next, you're going to underline the question. The question is how many boys there are in all. So underline that question. Then box the important keywords. Important keywords here that I can see is draw and show. So I would box those important keywords. Then you're going to write the number sentence, which is this one. So use the 2 numbers. They are saying there are 4 tall boys and 5 short boys. As you can see, those are the 2 parts that is going to make up the whole. So write the 2 parts in the 2 partner boxes, 4 and 5. And then you're going to add 4 and 5 to find the total, which is 9. If you draw the 4 tall boys and the 5 short boys and you add the 4 and the 5 together, you will see that we have 9. Then you're going to use these same numbers in this number sentence to complete the number bond. So write the 2 numbers in the partner boxes, which is 4 and 5, and the total, which is 9, in this big box. And then you're going to write the total here to show that there are 9 boys in all. And that's all you need to do for question 3. Question 4 is also done by first reciting this problem solving strategy song and doing everything that I'm asking you to do, and then finally writing the number sentence and the number bond to match the story. And for Tuesday, you are going to learn about odd and even numbers, and it basically explains here. An even number of things can be matched in pairs. So if you look here, each pineapple have a pair or a partner. But if you look here, an odd number of things cannot be matched in pairs. So only pair is found here. But this apple do not have a pair. It's all by itself. Therefore, 3 is an odd number. So you will count here how many strawberries are there. Write 4. And then you will write if it's an even number or an odd number. Since all these strawberries have pairs, it is an even number. So you will write even here. And please find in these pictures if this number is an even or an odd number by looking at the pairs that it has. Then on Wednesday, you are going to solve this change unknown math problems. So change unknown means that one of the addends, actually the second addend, is what we need to find in this math problem, because the first addend is given, but the second one is not. So we need to find the second addend. If you look here again, the first addend is given, the second is not. First is given, the second is not. So here, actually, they did not give the first addend. So again, this one is not a change unknown word problem. This is going to be a start unknown word problem. Either way, you have to find the mystery number. So how are we going to find this change unknown number in this word problem? We are going to use two strategies, counting on or counting back. Counting on means you're going to start with the first addend and count on until the last number, which is the total. So let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is 5 dots that I was just drawing here as I was counting. If you would like, you can do like punches in the air, or jumps, or count with your fingers as you count on from 2 to 7. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 5 punches. So I would write 5 here. And next, I will also draw the 5 dots here to show that 2 and 5 is 7. Please do B, C, and D using the counting on strategy that I just now showed you. Or else you can use the counting back strategy. Counting back strategy starts with this last number or the total, and you count backwards until 2, like this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You stop at 2 because 2 is our first addend. You don't go beyond that number. So I basically drew 5 circles. So you can count on with your fingers, or you can do jumps or punches in the air as you count back or count on. So use those two strategies and fill in these mystery numbers as well as the dots in these 5 group cards. And for Wednesday homework, you also have to do more word problems by reading the problems and using my problem solving strategy song. So A says Scott has 3 cookies. His mom gives him some more. Now he has 8 cookies. How many cookies did his mom give him? So if he used the problem solving strategy song, it says to circle important numbers first. So I see 3 as an important number and 8 as an important number. Next, I need to underline the question, which is how many cookies did his mom give him? Afterwards, you are going to box the keywords. And what are the keywords that we have here? Some more. This is really important because this is what we need to find out how much mom gave. So that would be the keyword I would circle. And we have to finally write this number sentence afterwards. So we also have to find which number sentence matches this math problem. So this math problem has 3 and 8. This don't have 3 and 8. This does 3 and 8. So this is the math problem that matches the addition equation or the number sentence that matches this math word problem. So let's count on to find out how many more cookies his mom gave. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I drew 5 dots. But you don't have to draw the 5 dots. You can do 5 punches in the air or 5 jumps or count 5 on your fingers. But however method that you use, you have to write the numeral here, which is 5. And then you also have to write how many cookies his mom gave Scott, which is 5. Next, try to do B. I will only read it, but you have to solve the problem. Kim sees 6 birds in the tree. Some more birds fly in. Kim sees 9 birds in the tree. How many birds flew to the tree? Now find how many birds flew to the tree here and write the answer here. So on Thursday, you are going to complete these number bonds by using the counting on or the counting back strategy that I showed you earlier for all the math word problems. So if you use the counting on strategy from 8 to 8, there is no change. So when there is no change and the numbers are the same, we are going to say that it is 0. So 8 and 0 is what makes 8. And from here, 7 to 8, we have to add one more. So 7 and 1 is 8. If you're counting back, you count back from the total until the first add in. So 8, 8, 7. So which is 1 again? Let's do this one. 6, 7, 8. So that is 2 dots, and that means 6 and 2 is what makes 8. Or you can count backwards. 8, 7, 6. Again, that's 2 because 6 and 2 is what makes 8. So use the counting on or counting back strategy to find the mystery numbers in all these number bonds. I hope that this video helped you all solve all your homework problems. If not, please come see me before or after school and I'll be more than happy to help each one of you. Thank you and have a nice week.